Greetings from the beautiful Switzerland and welcome to Streetwise Economics. I'm so excited you are here. A little bit about me. I was born in Zimbabwe, now living in Canada, and I'm so obsessed with the idea of financial freedom. In 2023, I took a leap of faith. I quit my full-time job to pursue my passion, trading, investing, and building wealth on my own terms. At first, I didn't have all the answers, but I knew that I was doing something that I was passionate about. Since then, I've been on a mission to learn and apply and share everything that I learn along the way. So, this channel is all about where money meets real life. On the channel, you'll get weekly videos on trading and investing, mostly US and Canadian markets, but also global markets. Real-time lessons from my personal portfolios. Traffic content specifically focusing on finance from the cities I explore, like Zurich. Right now, I'm also in Grenderland, and we passed it through Interlaken. I have some content that I have also created that I'm gonna be sharing on this channel as well. And my goal is to drop one video at least a week every Saturday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But during the week, I'm going to be dropping some other videos, including inviting guests on money and investing to talk about those issues, but also some real-time market commentary, depending on some events that happen around the world and that are likely to impact the world. My goal is to help you think differently about money, where you live, no matter where you live, no matter how much you earn and how you invest. Whether you're just starting or scaling up your portfolio, you'll find something valuable here. This is real money, real trades, and real life lessons. So join me in this journey if you are into financial freedom, investing smarter, and living globally. Hit the subscribe button and share this video so that it can go viral. And hopefully this content is going to help you reach your financial goals. Now, by liking and sharing this, we are gonna grow together. Thank you so much. And wherever you are, thank you so much for tuning in on this video. If you want to book one-on-one coaching session on trading and investing, make sure you can do so via the link on www.streetwiseeconomics.com. Like I always like to say, trade and invest wisely, and may the markets be on your side. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.